Hey there, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. And just in case you've been wondering, how do you get to turn a static image into one that talks and moves? This video is definitely for you. All you need to do is to watch to the end of this video so that you don't miss any information. In today's video, I will explain to you step-by-step process on how to turn static images into motion images, and they can even speak, right? These are images can even speak and they can move. You don't need to be in a haste. Just follow the step-by-step guide. I won't take so much of your time. Watch to the end of this video so that you don't miss any of the information. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your static picture into a talking AI. I'll be showing you two ways, right, that you can get this done. Let's just get right into this. The first one, I'm going to be using Meta AI, right? So I'm going to come here on my Meta AI app, which I downloaded from Play Store, and I'm going to allow it to open. Now, where I have the plus button, I'll click on the plus icon, and I'm going to click on right, first and foremost, you already have create a video from your photo. You have create a video from my photo syncing camera. Okay, no, restart my photo as AC, whatever. You already have all of these options. You can just choose to click on create a video from my photo. When you click on create a video from my photo, it's going to open up your library, your phone gallery, and then you can pick the picture that you want. Let me say I pick this one, right? I'm going to pick that one, and um I'm going to pick that one, and then I'll allow it to open up, right? So I said it says here create a video from my photo. Allow it some time for it to load, and when it's done, it's going to be giving you a video. Let's give it some time. The thing I like about Meta AI is it doesn't take so much time to generate pictures and videos for you. Unlike on CapCut, unlike on ChatGTP, if you don't have the paid version, if you're using the free version, it will take you some good time to wait for it to give you the pictures that you want. But for Meta AI, it's a little bit faster. So see that particular video. This is what it gave me. This is what it gave me. I don't understand why my stomach is not so big, but it has animated the video, the picture for me. Now let's assume that I want to give it my own command. I'm going to click on the plus sign, right? I'll click on the plus sign, and I'm going to pick a particular video. Let me pick a particular picture again, a particular static picture, and then I'm going to give it a command here. So I'll say, let the character animate. Okay, let's say animate the character to dance. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to give you the command and allow it to see it load again. While we're waiting for that, for this one to generate, for this one to give us the image, while we're waiting for it, please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, share, and leave a comment. Tell me what you want me to create next. What kind of video do you like to watch? What will you want me to explain? I will go ahead and do a video for you. So hit the subscribe button now, so that we can get to build a community here together. Now this is done, right? This is done. Let's just give some time to open up. Okay, so let's see what it gives, what it has given to me. Now, one thing that you need to note about this particular feature or this particular app is that it doesn't, the animated video does not talk, unlike on Grok, right? Because Grok is the second one we're going to be using. This particular one does not talk, it doesn't lip sync. You are the one who's going to create a voiceover if you are using this to get videos for yourself. So this is my static image, and this is what it's doing right now. Now this is what Meta AI. Now let's head over to Grok. Grok is the second one that I'll be using. There are other ones. There's Leonardo AI, there's Gemini, there's ChatGPT, there's the Digen, there's Dreamface. I have Bing. I can use any of them to create images that can move. But for this particular tutorial, we're going to be using Grok as the next one. The good thing about Grok is that it can actually talk. The image can actually talk. Now if I want to create an image, I'll click on
imagine, right? I'll click on imagine, and then I'm going to pick the picture that I want. I'll pick the picture that I want. I'll click on imagine, then I'll click on this picture icon down here. Then I'm going to click on library, photo library. Then I'll go ahead and pick that picture that I want to use. Let's use this one again. Once you click on it, it's once you click on it, it goes on to load up. It goes on to load up, and then it begins to read for you. It will do a countdown to 100, and then automatically this will be animated. But let's say I want it to actually say something, right? Let me allow this to finish uploading. Let me allow this to finish uploading. I want it to actually say something. What I need to do here now is I'm going to, okay, it's done. Yeah, I see. Okay, as you can see, it's already animated. So let's say I want to give this a command. I'm going to say, and I want it to say something. Let the character walk down from the stairs and say hi. I hope you enjoyed service today. So I'll give you this command, and I'm going to click on the send icon. Right, I'll click on the send icon, and then allow it to generate again. Just give it some few minutes, and just like Meta AI, it doesn't take so much time for it to generate. This is the good thing about this one. Now, the second thing about this one is that it's lip syncs for you. Like whatever you want, it. Let's just see what the result is going to be like. Let's be patient and see what the result is going to be like. It's going to say what I have commanded it. All right, it's done. Right. Hi, I hope you enjoyed the service today. Okay, this is it. Now, if I don't like this, I can, recommend it, right? I'll recommend it and tell it what I really want it to do. Okay, so I can just go ahead and recommend it, to give me something different. Now, if I want this particular thing to be consistent, all I just need to do is to keep changing what it says, right? I have said, hi, I hope you enjoyed service today. I can change this. I'll just change this again to say, hope to see you next service. I hope to get to see you in our next service, right? So this is it. I'm going to say I'd like to I'm going to allow it to generate again, and when it's done, we're going to see what it got to say, right? So we have options. You can make it fun, you can make it normal, you can make it remix. Anyone you choose to use, you can just click on it, and it's going to give you the result based on your option. But I'm not using anything there, right? This is how to make your static images talk. This is how to get your static images to talk for you. You can go ahead and generate different images. Might not be your own. You can also create cartoon characters, and then you have them all talk and lip sync like this. You can create long form videos using this same process, using this same pattern. That is all you need to do to make your static images talk for you. Now, this is it. This is all you need to know. If you like something else, go ahead and hit the comment section and ask me any question in the comment section. I'm going to be explaining further what you can do with your static images. Now, our next video, I'll be showing you how to use Digen and Dreamface to generate animated to generate motion pictures, or to make your images talk and move using Digen and Dreamface.
If you've come to this point of this video, I am trusting that you found value in this video. So please don't forget to subscribe. And if you need someone to help guide you, I don't mind. I can be the guide. I can help you navigate through YouTube just like I am doing, because I always get to share from my experience. This playlist showing up here, you can just click on it in order for you to be able to access other of my videos where I get to share from my experience on how to navigate YouTube. I'm rooting for you. Don't forget. See you in the next video. Bye for now.